Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is February 2nd, and we are going to take a look at the Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir is coming back down. So Palantir is between 1194 and 1442. So this is a congestion zone. And yeah, it's giving in under that 1442 resistance. So we closed down at 88 cents. That's 6.20%. That's a lot. Closed at 1332. Post market, we are even down 42 cents at 1290. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. So as we saw yesterday, the stock came right smack on 1442, did not break it, and did not even break it today. So we have a couple of downward resistances because the stock is going down. It has been changing speed. It is pulling back a little bit and could not break this downward resistance here and could not break 1442. Let's go see the 1 hour chart to have the hour by hour play. Where's the, okay. So this is the first candle of the day. So drop down on the first day, touched this support that we had in the past. Touched the support that we had. Let me write it down here, 1350. It's nice to see that the stock is really using the supports that we lay down. It's just stopping there a little bit, continuing, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, so first hour down, second hour also, and then just went sideways. But look at the stochastic on the 1 hour chart under 60. To me, this is telling me that we are going back down. Let's go see the daily chart. So for the indicators on the daily chart, everything is very low, stochastic 20. We only have MACD that is telling us that the trend has changed, but MACD is not enough to tell us to buy a stock. But everything else is pretty much in the red. So at least we are not going down further. So we are plateauing. We have a support at 1194. So that's the good news. That's the good news. This is our congestion zone. We are going sideways for now. Let's just focus on the positive. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link if you want to use this great tool. TradingView is a great tool. If you know of another tool, I'm open, but so far this is the best that I have seen. And if you want to get the paid plan that can get you to have a bit more indicators, then you can use my affiliate links. I'm going to get some coins and you are going to get a discount on your end. So everybody's going to be happy. So I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.